Hello guys, we'll be back into our this next video. We are going to learn how to use variables. So guys, if you know that this is your first time to watch OSP Pro program videos, don't forget we also have short courses, internship programs at OSP Pro, at OSP IT Digital Solutions, here just within one day here in Diamond Trust Bank building. So guys, if you know you're interested, please come in. If you know you want a report for your system, you want a system, you want a website, if you know you want website hosting, please just come in and then we give you a hand. So guys, let's use this minute and now we'll learn how to use variables in JavaScript. Now the first thing comes in first. I remember happened to show you guys how to use comments in our last previous video. Let us learn at the moment how to use variables. Now, what are variables? The variables refers to an element holding a place value of another element. If you remember from our primaries, we used to say maybe x is equals to something like that. If maybe x is equals to 5, we always used to know in our mind that whenever we shall be finding x in the program, x is equals to 5, we shall be know x equals to 5 for that given equation. So the same thing with variables. So variables is going to be just an element holding a place value of another element. Like here we have said we have maybe x is equals to 5. Now if you check x is equals to 5, 5 is a number and x is an element holding a place value of a number. So let us try to come up with and see what we can do. Now if you try to just give like that and then you say maybe alert here like this and then maybe say x, and in a simple time if you try to cross check that and come back here, you will discover that find will print for you 1 on us 5. Now that one to cut across, it will cut across because for 1 on us people are using Node.js and people are using JavaScript. It will still work the same, but I advise you, bear with me, follow the right way. To declare a variable, use var, then follow with the variable name and then to simply respect what you are giving. So in a simple time we to try to come and try to refresh, it will discover that it will still give me 5. So that's how they add variables in a given program. So guys, that's it. Let me just show you here how to use 1 on us with let me use here with 1 on us a string. So if I try to use a string here in this program, I'll just simply say maybe variable, maybe name is equal to 1 on us, my name is maybe OSP Pro, like that. You can either give a semicolon or you can ignore. So to print for us that, I will simply say alert for me 1 on us the name, simply say like that. So if you just find the program, you have something like that. Maybe this one might be from maybe a database, blah blah, or whatever you may tend to give in from the system. So this is a name holding all this element string, and then you just come in here and echo it out by putting 1 on us alert for me that. So definitely we shall say my name is OSP Pro. So guys, if you find this very interesting, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you find this interesting, please also share this video to your friends. May God bless you. May God bless you. Thank you.